torture. So I really got this final, I've gotten up to 100k subscribers early last year. So I emailed them about this. They told me I wasn't eligible because I wasn't showing myself on my videos. After I deleted my old videos and started showing myself on my videos and putting commentaries on my videos, they requested for this bag, and this one got to me. So I'm going to unbox this right now. To be honest with you, I'm happy that this came, I'm happy it came through. It was really fast, like I was expecting it to come next month or something like that. Okay, now let me unbox this thing. Let me just get my knife and unbox this thing. Now, wow. Happy that this thing came through. I wasn't hoping for this, to be honest with you, but I'm really happy this thing came through. I should have gotten this thing long time ago if my channel was eligible. I should have gotten it long time ago, but I didn't get it because, like I told you guys before, because I wasn't posting myself, I wasn't doing commentary, and YouTube knew that they were gonna change their policy. So it's time to open this. It's time to open this. Is this the front or the back? Okay, I guess this is the front. Oh. Okay, this letter. What is in this? Congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. This award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. If your award was damaged during shipping, or if you have any question, please contact us at youtubecreator@societyawards.com. Okay, these are the guys that created the award. Time to show you how this shit looks like. Take a look at it. Take a look, man. Presented to Manuche for passing 100,000 subscribers by YouTube. Do you know the funny thing? I really thank God they spelled my name correct. Sometimes some of these things they will just write your name in a way that you can't even pronounce your own name. Okay, there's a letter here, let me read it. You have just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. We know that numbers on YouTube can get really big, but we hope that you don't lose sight of the reality behind the 6-digit milestone. Each and every person who has subscribed to your channel has been touched by what you created. They were inspired, challenged, or entertained. You achieved this milestone with hard work, perseverance, and probably a healthy sense of humor too. What you have accomplished can't be taken away from you, and we do like to recognize you and all your hard work with this Silver Creator Award, a small token of our esteem and respect. We know that you don't do this for reward. You do it because you have a drive to create and share, and because you have found an audience who cares. Believe us when we say that we can't wait to see what you do next. 1 million subscribers may seem a long way off right now, but you are closer than you think, and we are rooting for you. Congratulations. Yours sincerely, Susan would kick your Now look at how this thing look like. Let me bring her out. Let me bring her out and show you how it looks like. Imagine if it falls down from here. Is it gonna break? Oh, let me see what is written on the back. Okay, the back is black. The back is black. It really has something like hook if you really want to hang it. What's this? It's been a long way coming. It's not easy to get this, bro. I thank each and every one of you that have been supporting me through this YouTube journey, that has been watching my videos even when I was demonetized and I was not posting videos. It's a very big thank you to you all. Thank you. Woo! Lover, lover.
lover, lover. Missing you, girl, you're my lover, lover. Lover, 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 lover. Missing you, girl, you're lover, lover.